how straight that is. Like, but I could recite you "man's not hot" word for word, but I can't tell you the periodic table. Do you know what I mean? Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then hello, hi, my name is Amy. So today's video, I'm very excited. Swoosh my hair. I'm very excited, as you can tell by the title. I am going to be doing a little unboxing, trying and testing the brand new Molly May times Beautyworks straighteners. So I'm actually just going to move myself back. So you guys know I absolutely love Beautyworks. Like, I rave about them all the time. I love the Molly May curler. I've got like their barrels. I love their hair. I wear their clip-ins. I've actually got their, I'll show you. I've got their slimline tapes in at the moment, as you can see. But yeah, they just look like this. So I've got my slimline tapes in at the moment. I wear the shade Ice Blonde for reference. And yeah, I'm going to be trialling and testing their new straightener that they are in collaboration with Molly May. So let me show you it. It comes in this really gorgeous box. Nice packaging. And then when you open up the box, you have got this really nice, like, heat-proof travel wallet. I love this. The kit before just came in like this, like, roll-up wrap thing. This is lovely though, because it's like a proper zip. It's like faux leather. Absolutely love it. Inside you obviously have your straightener. And you then have a brush. This is like vegan bristles as well. Love that. Love a nice, like, fine toothed brush like this when you have extensions, because you don't want anything with a like little ball on the end, because when you brush it through, it's gonna like get caught and pull at your extensions, whether that's taped, nanos, or whatever, or just your natural hair. Like, it's more likely to damage it. So yeah, I absolutely love this brush so much. And it's got the little, like, is that gonna focus? Probably not. But it just says Beautyworks times Molly May on it. Love that. And you also get a heat-proof glove, so we're not going to be burning ourselves today, which is fantastic because we don't want to be burning ourselves. So yeah, I just thought, you know, I'm going to get ready for my day and do my hair with you. I never do my hair with you guys, so today's the day. There's a first time for everything. So I'm going to start off by just using some heat protector. Oh, this is I literally just spray it through. Ta-da! Kind of let it dry a little bit because it does go a little bit damp, and I like to brush it through and just make sure it's really coated, like, all of my hair. Okay, so the straightener. So one thing I will say I absolutely love about this is it's got a lock, like, to keep them locked, and then when you push this down, ta-da! And then on the inside you've got the button, so just turn it on there, and you've got these like ceramic coated plates with the little, it's got like a little red LED, I don't know if you can see. And then to change the temperature, when I first got it, I was like, oh, I think it turns on at 120, and I was like, how do I change that? But you actually just twist this bit. So it goes from 80 degrees all the way up to 220. I feel like I'd have it on 200. I think that's the okay heat. So now that my hair is like, it's a lot drier, like, it's not feeling like that wet damp from the heat protector, I like to go in with the Beautyworks Dream Shine. Now this one smells amazing. This smells amazing. It's got keratin in, and it just makes your hair really, really shiny. You can use this before you blow dry your hair as well. I find that it does still help the shine even when you're applying it to dry hair, so I literally just do the same. Spray it through. And then I'll just brush it through, and again I add that on the end as well. So when I straighten my hair, I like to section it. So I literally just split it in half, and then I split it in half again, because all these little bits of hair underneath never really get straightened properly. So literally just split it somewhere. Heat protection glove. Oh, this is cute. It's got a little tag and it says Beautyworks. That's new, because on my other Beautyworks ones it does not have that. So I'm just going to start by taking sections of my hair. How excited is everyone for the fact that 1 week today? Oh my god, I just let that sink in. 1 week today, as I sat here filming this, we can go out for dinner and sit in a restaurant. Oh my god. Oh my god, that is exciting. No longer will we have to freeze outside covered in blankets. Although, saying that, I did go to Gaucho's and they were so good. So we were sat like outside by the fire, and they also gave us blankets and hot water bottles, which was so nice. I love that. So I literally just go over all my hair and make sure it's proper silky and straight, and then I like to flick the ends in, especially if you've got feathering around your face. It looks really nice. Holidays, they've announced where we can go on holiday and we don't have to quarantine. So I think Portugal is like the main interesting place, really. You can go like New Zealand and Australia, but they're quite far away, aren't they? Like for just a trip. So yeah, one section is done, nice and straight, and now I'm going to take this bit down, and then once my hair is all straight, I'll do the little flicky bit, because I like to have that all in one section when I do it, because I don't like it to, because sometimes I find that my natural hair can like bubble out and it makes it look like I've got extensions, and obviously that is not what we want. We do not want anyone to know that we are wearing extensions, even though who has really got 20-inch long thick. What I really am enjoying about these straighteners so far is, do you ever get it, I'd be interested to see how these curl, because do you ever get it when you pull your hair in a straightener and it kind of does that weird like, it like, I don't know how to describe it, but it like pulls at your hair and makes it feel just makes a horrible noise. I feel like you know the noise if you've got a pair of old straighteners or something. I feel like you know the noise that I mean. It like, I don't know, it sounds like it's ripping it out your head, right, basically. It's not a nice sound, but these aren't doing that. And also, I love curling hair with straighteners as well. I don't find I tend to do it much when I've got extensions in, because my old straighteners, yeah, used to just pull my hair and make that horrible noise, and literally felt, oh, it was horrible. Felt like I was ripping out all my hair. Also, I feel like you can't actually see. Look at that. Look at that shine. Guys, you know, if you've got blonde hair, it's really hard to get it shiny, mate. Look at that. You seeing that? I'm obsessed. Okay, I'm going to go ahead, do the other side, and I will be back to show you what I do after. Also, look at my nails. If you know me, you know that I literally always have gel nails, always natural gel nails, and I literally just do them myself. But I thought I'd be bougie. And everyone on Instagram was getting long nails, and I was just seeing all these really cute designs, and I was like, do you know what? I'm gonna get some long nails. So these are like gel extensions. She used like a builder gel, so I'm really hoping I'm gonna be able to infill them myself. I'm gonna give it my best shot. But anyway, I am going to do this, get this nice sleek and straight, and then I'll show you how I like curl the ends in, and it just gives a really nice finish. So I will be back. I am slick rig. Oh, my hair looks so glossy. I'm obsessed. How do people do that? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I do love slick hair. I'm really trying to, who remembers when just before last lockdown when I got my bangs cut in and they were like here and I hated them. They've come a long way. They have come a long way. We're trying to grow them out. For some reason this one is longer than this one. But yeah, they're slowly disappearing. I don't know why, I just really want all the same length hair just so I can just start again and do what I want, you know. Anyway, right, let me sit up a bit. So now we are going to do the special bit. So I'm just going to brush through my hair, make sure there is no knots or tangles. I'm actually obsessed with this sleek straight. Look how straight that is. Wow. And it's so soft and it's so shiny. Ugh, obsessed. Okay, right, anyway. I feel like I'm just like procrastinating here. So I like to then take a small section at a time. So like this kind of length, this kind of width. Small section, and all I do is I get the straighteners. I run the straightener all the way down. I like to keep it straight because if you're wearing extensions then don't curl it too soon because otherwise your natural hair will show out. When I get to the end, I just twist and pull, and we are there. Ow, why have I not got my glove on anymore? Ow, 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 ow. It gives a little flick. Let me put my glove on because, so keep it nice and straight. Obviously if you want it more bouncy or more curl to it, you can curl it a little bit sooner, but I just do the end. Just gives a nice little curl. Okay, right. And then for this front bit, I literally get this bit and I curl this bit in a little bit more, and then purely because then look. So you have, this is like the worst angle ever, isn't it? Flicky bit and then the straight bit. And then I do my fringe different. So I leave that bit out and I'll do the other side. Has anybody else got that song in their head? That remix. If you're on TikTok, you would have heard it. The RD remix of Body, and his verse. I honestly can't stop singing it for the life of me. Like, literally cannot stop singing it. Adiola. Basically, I'll rap it for you, guys. Have you seen the state of her body? If I beat it, I ain't wearing a... I can't rap. Have you seen the state of her body? If I beat it, I ain't wearing a Johnny. Adiola, I wanna roll with a geezer. Is it me or the lifestyle, sweetheart? Actually, I don't give a... I'm a rapper, I might as well live in it. In the hotel, on it. I don't know the whole thing. I need the song on. Actually, sorry, this is just like really random chats, but don't you find it weird how I can't remember stuff that I learned at school, but a song comes on and I will know all the lyrics to the entire song? Like, I find that so weird. Like, why does my brain store all these songs in my head but it can't store like history or, I don't know, something else that maybe I should know? What's that game? Trivia. I play that with my niece and nephew. They know so much and I'm like, why don't I know that? I feel like I should know that. Like, but I could recite you Man's Not Hot word for word, but I can't tell you the periodic table. Do you know what I mean? I just feel like it's weird what sticks in your head. Anyway, this is the finished look. Love it. So with the fringe bit, I've got quite a chunky fringe. Well, no, it's not even a fringe, but you know what I mean. Bangs. I literally grab it, brush it together. Yeah, so brush it together so it's back like this. Look at my baby hairs, let's not talk about those. Get your straightener and you want to just curl it back in. I think that might have gone a little bit too curly. This side works nicely. This side looks like an actual curl, but that is fine because I'm just gonna. Do you know what? I probably should have turned the straightener down and then did it. That's better. And it just kind of sits like swoopy. Do you know what I mean? I love it. So yeah, then you literally just turn your straighteners off and then I lock them and then they can cool down while they're locked and it's like they're not going to fall and burn anything. Love that. So I'm going to just spray another bit of this on. Smells so good. Just let that simmer into my hair. Love this style so much. I've been wearing this on my Instagram quite a lot. If you follow me over on there, and if you don't follow me over on there, then what are you doing, girlfriend? Obsessed. Okay, so to finish the look, you know I love the argan oil. They've actually changed the packaging. I haven't had any of this packaging. I have this one, look. Oh, I have this packaging. But for the sake of the video, I will use the new one. I love this. Literally put so much of this in my hair. Just take a little pump of that in my hand. It's quite a lot actually, doesn't matter. Really work it, and then I just kind of brush my fingers through. And that is how I get my cute little, kind of like blow dried, just straight hair but make it cute, you know. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much to Beautyworks for kindly gifting me the straightener. I absolutely love it. Like, I live and breathe Beautyworks, you guys know. You already know. So I don't need to say that again. But yeah, I absolutely love it. It is a yes from me. I'd be quite interested to see how that curls as well. Obviously I'm not going to do it on my hair now because I've just straightened it and I don't want to put like unnecessary heat on it. But I would definitely try that out and let you guys know. If you've got any questions or anything like that, then leave them down below. I will leave this link down below. This is actually limited edition, I do believe. So if you do want this one, make sure you go shop it ASAP. And also I do have a discount code. I will leave it down below and on screen. It is AmyC10 and they'll get you 10% off the site. So happy shopping, go and enjoy eating out next Monday. Oh my god, I'm so excited, like you've got no idea. Like, you can't really get dressed up to sit outside. Like, I tried it and you have to just wear your coat and it's cold. Yeah, I'm just so excited to be able to sit in a restaurant and eat. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, and I'll see you very soon. Stay safe, take care, and enjoy your week. Bye.